I would like to talk to you about the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is the energy that comes from the sun. Here we have our sun. Electromagnetic spectrum. Electro means flow of electrons. So here I have these tiny little dots representing electrons moving. Magnetic equals a field of waves surrounding the flow of electrons. So, just so happens when electrons are in movement, they create electricity from the particles moving, plus they create magnetic waves as they move. So, we'll back up a little bit and talk about electrons. What are they? Electrons are tiny little particles in an atom. Here we have a model of an atom. Now, atom doesn't necessarily look exactly like this, but oftentimes scientists use models to understand things better. So here we have a model of an atom. This is a hydrogen atom, this simplest atom out there. It's got one proton in its nucleus, and it has one electron in one shell outside of the proton. So, symbol for hydrogen is a capital H, and here I have it written out, hydrogen. So, electrons are negatively charged particles that surround the nucleus of an atom. Electron is a negatively charged particle. A proton is a positively charged particle. So again, electron, negatively charged particle, proton, positively charged particle. So the electron travels on the outside of the atom, having an orbit around the proton. So, electricity. Electricity is the movement of these electrons. Electrons will jump from atom to atom to atom. Here we have our electron jumping to this atom, hydrogen atom. We have it jumping again, jumping again, jumping again. And this is what creates electricity. Electron hopping from one atom to the next. Movement of electrons creates electricity. So if I touch this, I'd get shocked. I know this whole thing is shocking, but it's true. Magnetism, if there's movement of electrons, then there's a magnetic field around that movement. So here I have my electrons again, jumping, jumping, and jumping, and jumping, moving along the string of atoms. As they move, it creates a magnetic field. Now, magnetism travels in waves. We have the electron particles just traveling straight ahead. However, we have magnetism, which is more like a wave, more like an ocean wave, or a sound wave. That's how magnetism travels in waves. So, electromagnetic spectrum, again, is the type of energy that comes from our sun. It's a combination of electricity and magnetism, which turns out to be a combination of particle movement with the electrons and waves with magnetism. For more information, you could always email me. I try to have a 24-hour turnaround on email at rose_wignall@abss.k12.nc.us.